Welcome to Trendverse by Uzma Amin, your destination for the latest trends in AI, online earning, blogging, finance, technology, and future skills. If you want to stay ahead, learn smarter, and grow faster in the digital world, you're in the right place. Subscribe to join our growing community. Like and share to support valuable content. Turn on notifications so you never miss what's next. Let's learn, earn, and grow together.
Have you ever just sat there staring at your laptop and thought, could this thing actually make me money? Not just for browsing or streaming, but, real income? Yeah, think about it for a second. A real income stream coming right from the computer you already own. No office, no commute, just you, your skills, and a decent internet connection. Sounds pretty good, right? And here's the kicker. The one thing that usually stops people in their tracks. The investment. Well, guess what? You don't need one. We're talking $0 to get started, not a single penny. So what if I told you that millions of people are already doing this, and they're doing it using just one website to connect with clients all over the globe? This isn't some kind of future fantasy. This is happening right now in 2026. And in this explainer, we're going to break down exactly how you can get a piece of that action. All right, let's pull back the curtain, shall we? We're about to dive into this massive online marketplace. Think of it as a quest, and your mission is to turn the skills you already have into cash. And that marketplace has a name, Fiverr. It's one of the biggest freelancing platforms on the planet, and it's built for people to sell their skills. Seriously, whether you're a student who needs some side cash or you're just dipping your toes into the world of online work, this is an incredible place to start. Okay, so first things first. Before you can start exploring this new digital world, you're going to need a passport. And on Fiverr, your profile is your passport. It's your handshake, it's your resume, and it's your first best chance to build some trust. And getting this passport couldn't be easier. Step 1, sign up. It's totally free. Step 2, add a nice, clear photo. Remember, people want to know who they're working with. And finally, step 3, write a quick, sharp description of what you're good at. That's it. You're officially in the game. Now, don't just blow past this step. It's super important. Every little piece of your profile is working towards one goal, building trust. A complete, professional-looking profile tells clients, hey, I'm serious, I'm reliable, and I'm ready to do great work for you. All right, passport is stamped. Now it's time for the fun part, deciding what service you're actually going to sell. This is the moment you launch your first little boat into the big ocean of Fiverr. And listen, you probably have more skills than you realize. Just look at this list. Can you write a decent email? That's a writing service. Do you speak another language? Boom, translation. Even simple things like managing a social media account or recording a quick voiceover. These are all things people will pay for. Now, on Fiverr, they have a special name for these services. They're called gigs. That's the lingo. Just think of a gig as your own personal little digital storefront for one specific thing that you do really well. So, how do you make your gig pop? You gotta focus on 3 things. First, a super clear title that tells people exactly what they're getting. Second, a detailed description so there are no surprises. And third, a killer image or a sample of your work. Showing is always better than just telling. Okay, let's talk strategy. When you're brand new, the biggest challenge is just getting that very first order. A really smart move is to set a lower, more competitive price at the beginning. The goal here isn't to get rich on day one. Nope. The goal is to make it a no-brainer for someone to take a chance on you. That's how you get those all-important first reviews. The bigger paydays, they come later, after you've built up that trust. All right, everybody wants to know the secret, right? The special hack to winning on Fiverr. Well, the truth is, it's not really a secret. It's actually a pretty simple but really powerful cycle that anyone can tap into. And here it is, the cycle of success. It all starts with you doing great work. From there, you get happy clients, and happy clients leave amazing reviews. Those reviews then act like magnets, attracting more buyers to your profile. Then, what do? You just do it all over again. It's a loop that just keeps building and building. This is the gold right here. A review like this is worth more than any advertisement. It's basically a giant 5-star billboard telling everyone on Fiverr that you are the real deal. So when you boil it all down, it comes to this. Just make your clients happy. If you focus on delivering awesome work and you do it on time, every single time, success is going to find you. It's almost inevitable. So there you have it. That's the roadmap. The path forward is laid out right in front of you, and your own freelance journey, well, it can start today, right now even. But just one last thing to remember. This is not a get-rich-quick thing. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Real, lasting success comes from being patient, being consistent, and always, always trying to get just a little bit better at what you do. We've given you the map. You have all the tools you need. The only thing left is for you to take that first step. So the real question isn't if you can do this. The question is, what's that one skill you have right now that you're going to turn into your very first gig? What's it going to be?